Hello and welcome to Listen and Learn, the channel that helps you learn English in the most natural and simple way. Today, you are going to improve your English by doing something very easy, just listening. Listening is the first step to speaking confidently, and the more you listen, the faster you learn. In this lesson, we are going to explore how English sounds, how sentences are formed, and how you can understand English without stress. Many learners think that English is difficult because they focus too much on grammar rules at the beginning. But here on Listen and Learn, you will learn English the same way children learn their first language. Slowly, clearly, and naturally. You do not need to memorize rules. You only need to listen, repeat, and enjoy the process. So relax, breathe, and let your mind absorb the language. Listening is the foundation of language. Before a child speaks, they listen for thousands of hours. They listen to sounds, voices, rhythms, and everyday conversations. Slowly, the brain starts connecting sounds with meaning. The same thing happens when you learn English. The more you listen, the more your brain understands patterns. You begin to recognize common phrases, expressions, and structures. Listening also helps you improve your accent. When you hear English spoken clearly, you learn how words connect, how intonation works, and how native speakers express emotions. This is something you cannot fully learn from books. Listening trains your ears. Listening trains your mouth. Listening trains your confidence. Another great benefit of listening is vocabulary building. When you hear a new word in context, you understand it better. You don't need to translate everything. Your brain figures out the meaning from the situation. This is called natural learning. So remember, listening first, speaking second, reading and writing later. This is the easiest and most effective way to master the language. Start with simple sentences. To make English easy, you must begin with simple and short sentences. Do not try to understand every grammar point at once. Instead, listen to clear examples and repeat them. Here are some simple English sentences that help your brain recognize patterns. I am learning English. I listen every day. I want to speak confidently. I practice slowly. I repeat what I hear. I understand more each day. Simple sentences like these help your brain create a solid foundation. When you repeat them again and again, they become natural. Do not worry if you do not understand everything immediately. Understanding comes with repetition. Now let's move on to expanding these simple sentences. I am learning English because I want a better future. I listen every day so my ears get used to the language. I want to speak confidently in any situation. I practice slowly so I do not make mistakes. I repeat what I hear because repetition builds memory. I understand more each day because I stay consistent. Every sentence becomes slightly longer, slightly richer, and more meaningful. This is how natural progress works. Listen to natural English. When you listen to natural English, your mind adapts quickly. Natural English is simple, clear, and connected. It does not use difficult vocabulary. It uses everyday words that native speakers use. For example, how are you today? I am doing well. Thank you. What are you learning now? I am learning English. How do you practice? I practice by listening. These are natural English patterns. They repeat in daily life. When you hear them often, they stay in your long-term memory. Another example. Where are you going? I am going to the market. What will you buy? I will buy some food. When will you return? I will return soon. These simple dialogues help your brain recognize question patterns, answer structures, and natural flow. Focus on pronunciation through listening. Listening improves your pronunciation automatically. When you hear words clearly, your mouth starts copying the same sound. Pronunciation is not learned by reading. It is learned by listening. For example, the word water sounds different in different accents. When you listen, you notice these differences. Your ears start accepting the correct version. The more you listen, the more accurate your pronunciation becomes. Here is a small practice section. Listen slowly and repeat. I can do this. I am confident. I learn every day. I listen carefully. I speak clearly. Repeat this several times. Notice how your mouth moves. Notice the rhythm of each sentence. This repetition is powerful. To master English faster, use the listen, pause, repeat method. This method is simple and extremely effective. Step 1, listen to a sentence. Step 2, pause the audio. Step 3, repeat the sentence. Step 4, compare your voice with the original. Step 5, repeat if needed. This method helps you train your speaking muscles. It improves your accent, fluency, and confidence. Do this for 10 minutes every day, and you will see a huge improvement within a month. To learn English naturally, you need a daily routine. Here is an example of a simple routine that you can follow. 1. Listen to 5 minutes of slow English. 2. Repeat the sentences you understand. 3. Listen again without repeating. 4. Try to understand the main idea. 5. Relax and enjoy the process. You do not need to study for long hours. Short and consistent practice is better. Even 10 minutes each day is enough if you stay focused. Learn with stories. Stories are one of the best ways to learn English. When you listen to stories, your brain stays active. Stories help you remember vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation easily. Here is a short story example in simple English. There was a boy named Alex. He wanted to learn English. Every morning, he woke up early and listened to English audio. At first, he did not understand much, but he continued. He listened every day. Slowly, he began to understand simple phrases. After 2 months, he could understand full sentences. After 6 months, he could speak confidently. Alex learned English not by reading books, but by listening every day. This simple story teaches a powerful lesson. Consistency leads to success.